We're here for 3 days. We test and qualify on Friday, race Saturday, Sunday, and lots of things go wrong, lots of things go right, lots of funny things happen. We're really tired. We can eat as much food as we want while we're here, because running around you're gonna burn it all off. It's just a really, it is. I mean, adventure sums it up for me perfectly.
Super fast wax up here, you know. The extra aero, it's at least another 0.6 miles.
Racing one of these, it's smooth. It's like racing a fun car. You've got to be very, very smooth through the corners, not try to do any severe braking and changes of direction. It's just about keeping it nice and smooth and on the grey bit and out the pits.
And that will be down the other end of the circuit. And virtually the straight run. Straight before?
No, it's first time I'm rookie.
And you're enjoying it, obviously?
Yeah, awesome.
So your next team will be out tonight?
Should be about 9, I'm guessing. Also, www.2cbracing.org.uk.
As you're turning the corner, rather than let it completely die, try and get on a balance throttle, so a bit of gas, just round the corner, and then give it power. Sometimes it doesn't judder or cut out so much.
Car keeps rolling, mate.
He might be in the pit lane, Gordon.
Got like it in plastic field size, running out of petrol in the corner.
Stick bigger fit on there.
It's my first time out, and first lap out, we got tagged by some one of the prototypes tagged one of the slower cars and span out and span the slower car out into the back door of the car. So it's just crazy.
Brilliant. Best 2 hours I've had in my life. Better than sex.
They're faster than they look. They feel like F1 cars when you're inside them. So yeah, it's great fun.
This is my first 24-hour race of having a car. After an amazing season of crashing at Cadwell and then rolling at Donington 4 weeks ago, we managed to get the car back together again. And fortunately, with a lot of luck, and I think there is a lot of luck in this sport, oh God, no! We are lying first right now, and I believe by now, yes, we have actually won the race.
So what's it mean to you? What's it mean to win that?
This is just, this club and the friendliness of this club is just incredible. The camaraderie in this organisation is amazing. To be part of it, you're like part of a really amazing family, and I've just loved it. It's a privilege to be here, and it's amazing the good friends that I've created over the last year. And to win this is just outstanding. It's just brilliant.
It's probably 3/4 luck and 1/4 preparation. Or no, half and half. And preparation is helpful, but you can be as prepared as you want, and things happen that you just can't predict or prepare for. But we were just lucky that nothing did.
Hey, it was a great run, didn't you?